So the two wonderful hiccup hunters let all the sheep play leapfrog together. Once again, the amazing hiccup hunters approve of the day with the greatest hiccup hunters ever. Oh, poor Henry. You still have... Oh, you scared me so much, Diesel. Did he scare me, Henry? Yes? Oh, Diesel is so funny. Hey, do you still have a hiccups? Oh, Henry, you're cured. Oh, you're cured. You'll finally be able to take a rest. And that's how Toopy the amazing hiccup hunter cured his best friend Binu. The end. Enjoy your dreams, Henry.
I got the hiccups.
Henry? I love it. Henry, I can't sleep.